How to remove background noise in AudioMass. First of all, open the AudioMass website and upload your audio file by either dragging it into the browser window or using the file menu to import it. You'll see the webcam appear once your file is loaded. Next, click and drag to highlight the section of your audio that contains only background noise. This might be a part where there's no talking, just a hiss or ambient sound you want to remove. This selection helps AudioMass identify the noise pattern. Then, go to the Effects menu at the top and select Noise Reduction Voice. This will immediately apply the noise reduction effect to the selected part of the audio. If you want to clean up the entire audio file, double-click on the waveform to select everything or press Shift+A on your keyboard. Then, go back to Effects and choose Noise Reduction once again. This will now process your audio and remove the background noise. Finally, listen to your audio to make sure the result is clean. If you still hear some noise, you can repeat the same process. And that's it. Now you know how to remove background noise in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.